Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aqua Star Love Thought, and now today I will do the reading for the Virgos. Let's see what's going on in the love life of Virgos. How are you Virgos? Happy birthday to you all Virgos. Let's see what's going on in your love life. I will see the past, recent past of your love life, then the present and what's coming in the future. Let's see. Okay. Be positive, be in your energies. Let me see what's going on in your energies. And just tell me what about our Virgos? What was going on in their love life in the recent past? What was the recent past energy of Virgo's love life? Okay. Old school, hammering, and healthy choice. So, let me take out all the energies first. No, let me see. Old school means this person is a old school person or old. Maybe this energies or this connection is very old. Maybe from the school life or college, university. You know them well. Maybe it's your past. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but it's your past. Hammering, sabotage revealed, persistent working on it and repairing. This person wants to repair your connection, repair whatever have gone through, whatever gone wrong with you both, and wants to take a healthy choice between you and them. Being happier, love and life. So there was someone in your past. This person wants to come towards you to repair the connection. Okay. So let's see what's going on in the present situation. Okay. That means they called you. In recent situation, someone will call you, Virgo, to express their love. Maybe they will message you, call you, inform you, or they will come towards you. They will come in front of you face to face. They will talk to you about their emotions. They will confess about all the love they have for you. So, someone is coming back from the past to tell you about their emotions, to tell you about their hidden hidden love. Okay. It's a what's this? New beginning, liberation, new reborn, transition, tragic ending. Oh, there was a tragic ending in their life. Someone was there in their life. They are no more in their life. Oh, I don't know what. Because there was a coffin. Maybe, may not be. Okay, let's see what will be the future energies for Virgos. Oh, karmic, hidden truth, true feeling, hidden true, hiding true feeling, pretending, hiding true feelings, pretending and delude, gaslighting, personify. What's wrong? What's wrong? What will be the energies in the coming future for Virgo? It's not good. It's not good. Addiction, codependent, ob- obsession, re- restraint, possession, and control, emotional block. So, what will be the recent future for the Virgo in this love life? In the love life of Virgo, what will be the recent? Okay, partying, time, time with friends, having fun, happily single, life, living the Live in the moment. So this there is a twist. Okay. Someone is rejecting someone's love offer. I'm getting. Let's see. I will see about what's going on. And just tell me about the Virgo's love life. What was the recent past situation? What is going on? The old school hammering and healthy choice. I'm getting that someone is taking a healthy choice in love life. Star card. Okay. Someone wishing upon stars for getting back to someone else. Hmm. Yeah. Ace of Wands, Page of Wands, Herm- Hierophant, and King of, sorry, Knight of Cups. Someone is coming to us, maybe Aquarius or a Taurus, or Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, or I'm getting strong Aquarius, and Taurus is here, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Energy is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is strong here. Someone is coming towards you, hoping that they will come towards you and you will accept them like this. Okay? They have a commitment in their mind that it will work out, um, gradually in the past. They have that in their mind that it will work out gradually if they come towards you and tell you about their emotions, tell you about their all the hurt and pain that they gone through, and you will give them the affection. I'm getting this person is little bit victim mentality, that I have gone through lots of pain, see what about me, or you must keep, you are not a babysitter or you are not their mama, right? So you have to look around and what's this? Let's see who is coming towards you to call you, love you, inform you about their emotions. Who is this person who is so much emotional and want to express their love towards you? Unconditional love, self love, wholeness, affection, attraction, and selflessness. Nine of Wands. Aries Sagittarius, maybe this person wants to work things out. This person wants to fight for this action, this connection. Who is this? Who wants to call to Virgo? Yeah, this person is overthinking on the situation that will you take them back or not? Eight of Swords, Two of Wands in the bottom. Eight of Wands. Yeah, yes, they will definitely come towards you, hoping for the connection to renewed. Or yes, Eight of Cups. Someone is coming and someone is leaving. Ah, ah, ah. So much, so many. What is going on? Four of Pentacles. Someone is not opening up. I'm getting Virgo. You are not opening up to them. Definitely. Four of Pentacles is your energy. You are keeping yourself to keeping your energy closed. Eight of Swords. You are very much um, terrified. No, not terrified, but you are overthinking on the situation that what will happen if you communicate with them, if you again went to that past situation, again you have to go through the past scenarios, all about all this, right? Four of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Ten of Wands, Queen of Swords. They want to talk to you clearly, or they want to talk to you very practically about the situation, and they want to take a decision, or they will tell you about to take you or to ask you about your decisions or like that. What else is there in the recent now or the current situation? What is the current situation in Virgo's love life? Three of Cups, Death card. You don't want to deal with them. Three of Cups, Death card. Four of Swords. You don't want to deal with them. Definitely. Four of Swords. You are keeping your mouth shut. You are not trying to go towards them. You know that if you went towards them, there will be another transformation. Again, that past situation or past energies will come towards you. They will again shut their mouth because they will give you a silent treatment again, and then again you have to go through all those that you have gone through. Yes, they have. You have to go through again. You have learned your lesson. That's the reason you are not going towards them anymore. So, what will be the future of this connection, or what will the future energies here for Virgo? Let's see what will be the future of Three of Pentacles. Yes, you are just chilling with your friends, and yes, you are keeping this situation in the past, in the hidden, or Queen of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. Okay. You want a logical and a practical person that will be there for you for a long run. Someone will come and go, and they will just spend some time with you and move on from you, and there will be some lingering energies again and again. What's that? Okay, something happens. What's there? There is a card. Yeah, Page of Cups. You are getting emotional, but I don't think you will take any decision on this situation. What will be the outcome of this connection? What will be the outcome of this connection? Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Swords, Five of Wands. There will be some talks between you and them, clear communication between you and them, but situation will be there only. Someone is moving on from you, or this person will move on from you when they will understand about your energies, that you don't want to deal with them, you are not in that energy. Five of Wands, Ace of Wands. Okay, I'm getting that you want a new energy in your future. They will understand that, they will understand that you don't want to deal with any past situation anymore. Yeah, Five of Swords. There will be a better energies attached to them, that you are not trying to give them energy or like that. Let's see what's their unspoken words that they want to tell you or they don't want to tell you. Unspoken words. I want to I want to teach you a lesson. Maybe you want to teach them some lesson. I'm getting. Yeah, you will tell them that you are not the right person for. You will tell them that they are not right person for you. You will tell them that you are not the right person. Yeah. Energy can go vice versa. Okay. This person know, or you know that this person is not for you. Definitely you understand that. I love you as you are. I know you are just using. Okay. You love this person. Definitely I'm getting that you love this person, but you don't know, you don't want to deal with them anymore. You love this person anyway because there was unconditional love for them, but still you don't want to be there with them because you know their energy. They will just hop around. Sometime they will be with you, and then they will be going for another person. They are fickle minded. I'm done with you. Definitely, someone is done with the other person's energy and they are clearing that out for the better. Okay. For once and for all, you are telling that person that you are done with them, you love them, but this person is not the right person for you. Everyone is not for everyone, right? So they have to understand that. Okay. So let's see what's the guidance for you. I don't think you need some guidance. You have all the understanding about this connection. You have taken, and I'm getting in the future also, you will give, or you will get all the inner knowledge or inner guidance that you will um, take step on. Okay, let's see. Anyway, what will be the guidance for Virgos? Yeah, higher self is with you, higher power is with you. You will take observe. Okay, let's see. You will observe this person from the beginning, what they are saying, what they are doing, what are the balance between their work and words and action. You will observe their words and action and their balance between the word and the action, and then you will take a decision that higher self will help you to understand that this person is not for you. Okay. Yeah, you will be flexible and you will make them understand that this is not, this connection is not for you. Because you are blessed, your higher self is, I'm getting that you are very much evolved and you are spiritual and you know what is right for you, what is wrong for you. Okay. So you don't need any, and what need any guidance because you are blessed. So, God bless you. Virgos, have fun. If you want these types of energy, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for all types of notification. And if you want private reading from me, then there is a WhatsApp number and email ID in the description box. So, have fun. Bye bye. And once again, happy birthday, Virgos. Bye.